Hello guys, good afternoon. We are here now in Manchester with Jancho.
So at the skyscraper building.
Look at this.
The 7th floor, quite high.
I think we are in 7th floor. 7th floor. And the one over there, I think there's another 7th floor or more than that. I think this one is about 16 story. Something like that, yeah. Because if you count that, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 story. So 19 story, if you base or if you compare in this one, 19 stories in this one, but I think this one much higher. So probably this one, let's say 21 story or 20 story, something like that. Okay, so look at that. I'm scared to the height. How about you, John?
You mean afraid of heights?
Or I'm afraid to the height.
You said you
Look at that. So dito tayo ngayon sa taas ng building guys. Oh. Grabe kataas pala to. Mga bagong building dito. Dito na part parang nasa Makati ka. Yung dito na part luma na. Pero siguro ito yung bagong plano nila sa bagong project, siguro sa bagong high-rise building. Ito na siguro mga bago to. Kaya pinaplanuhan pa siguro nila to ngayon. Ito yung susunod nila. At saka ito. Ito magiging ganito na siya kung lagyan nila ng building dito. Oh, ganda, di ba? Parang nasa iba pa rin yung ano no, yung mga building na mga bago, yung mga modern. Ganda ng lugar dito. Lalo sa taas ka. Tsaka maganda dito dahil siyempre iba yung mga engineering din ng mga engineer sa mga ngayong panahon, magagaling din dahil siyempre kompleto sa gamit. Grabe yung training saka mga high-tech ang mga gamit, kaya mas maganda yung safe na safe yung mga building din. Ayan, maganda lalo na yun.
Spider.
This one.
Spider.
Oh, spider, mayroong gagamba sa labas. So how the spider with its web going down is not enough his web to get down?
You can.
Yes,
You
but
can.
this, how come that is? Can we hear?
What do you mean? Because they got web, they can stick up webs. They can stick up webs.
Is it? Oh my goodness! But his wave is not enough. It's not enough. Yeah, it's not enough to get down. Look at that.
It's only little.
Yeah, and then it's very tiny and little as well.
Spiders are tiny, but when you see
Some spiders are big,
yeah, when you see a
but
big,
even bigger spider.
For
is not-
example, there's a Brazilian spider in
Yeah.
Brazil. If you see those spiders, it's very massive and big. We call that a tarantula.
Yeah, but the thing is, even the big spider cannot.
But they can hiss as well.
It's maybe it's
Actually, the thing is, if you provoke a tarantula, they might hiss in front of you, but have a chance of biting.
yeah, but what I think if even tarantula, the bigger spider, like
Tarantula.
this,
That's your pronounce-
tarantula, but we call it tarantula.
Tarantula.
Yeah, that's in English, tarantula. Tarantula. Yeah. But what I mean is, even this big of the size of the tarantula, you know, if he cannot manage to get down there because you know it's too
Hi.
high. So how come? It's not enough of the web stored on his body.
No, I guess not.
Ay.
I guess the only way he has to get down is to make more cobwebs to get.
Pinag-aralan namin yung gagamba kung paano siya nakarating dito kasi isipin mo yung ganito ka tiny, yung kaliit, parang
Outside.
sobrang liit, paano yan paano siya makarating dito. Yun ang pinaka magandang experiment. Grabe. Kaya mamaya ano namin yan, ilagyan namin ng, o kaya gawa namin ng topic, bakit nakarating yung gagamba sa ganitong kataas na building na ganyan na sa kaliit. Hindi naman sa pwedeng ano na dito, nakadaan lang kasi siradong sarado to, very sealed to. Sealed to talaga, so hindi siya makalabas. Imposibleng makalabas yan. Kaya yun. So yan ang minsan yung mga bagay na dumadating sa ating buhay na minsan mahirap sa atin, pero pwede palang mangyari kung talagang sige kang makuha yung gusto mong gawin sa yung buhay, na gusto mong gusto mong makamtan yung iyong pangarap sa buhay, katulad ng spider na to, na kahit na dito sa taas, sa sobrang taas, kaya niyang i-climb dahil sa kanyang gusto talaga.
There's one right here.
Oh, there's another one. It's a bit bigger. Look at that. Can't believe that.
And there's another one here.
This is, anyway, why this is a spider? Even this one is too tiny. It's a baby. It's a baby spider. But this one is a baby spider. How come that he can climb over here? It's really hard to explain.
There's another one here.
This is a spider. But anyway, okay. So, okay, see you guys. Ipakita ko na sa inyo kung susunod natin ng mga vlog dito. So, okay, see you in my next episode.
Peace out. So we were just up there, like a few minutes
Yeah.
ago. It's only stop up to
Diyan
11
kami
stores.
galing kanina, dyan sa taas. Kaya dito na kami sa baba. So yung spider, tingnan mo.
Like 4 steps
Tingnan
under.
mo kung
4 stories
ano
under.
ka taas yung
It's 4
inakyat
stories
ng...
under.
Yeah, it's 4 stories
11,
under.
9, 8, 7.
That's the height of the spider. Okay, nice. Hey guys, dito tayo. So, lakad-lakad kami para Makati dito. Maganda yung parang nanibago ako sa kasi sa lugar namin puro puro mga old buildings. So ngayon nasa new buildings naman tayo. Parang palagay ko parang nasa Pilipinas ako. Kaso lang minsan pag sa mga new buildings, kung lahat puro new buildings na hindi mo na maramdaman minsan kung nasa ibang bansa ka, dahil palareho na yung itsura niya ng mga design. Hindi katulad na mayroon din mga old buildings practice sa may mga tawag na mga tourist spot na kaya nandyan siya dahil mayroong history yung isang lugar o kaya building, katulad ng mga sinaunang panahon, katulad ng pinuntahan ko dun sa sa Spain, sa may Barcelona. Mayroong akong nakita doon na malaking cathedral. Yung cathedral na yan, mga ka-ranger, it was I think basta mahabang panahon na, siguro mga 300 years, 400 years or 500 years, let's say, siguro yung pinuntahan ko sa Spain. Ang tinatawag nila na La Sagrada de Familia o Familia di Sagrada. Tingnan nyo na lang sa mga other vlog ko, mga ka-ranger, nung pumunta ako sa Barcelona, Spain. Ilagay nyo Ranger of Rangers vlogger in Barcelona, Spain, o kaya Barcelona, Spain. Lalabas na yan yung mga vlog ko dun dati nang pumunta ako sa Barcelona. I think just was 2 years ago or something like that, or 3 years ago. Hindi ko lang makakuan. Tingnan nyo lang mga guys. At saka napakaganda ng lugar dito. Parang nasa Makati ako. Yan ang maganda dito sa o kaya sa Pilipinas dyan dahil modern na rin yung lugar natin, yung mga building natin. Ganda. Hindi bago ako sa modern ano. Wow, ang taas talaga oh. O tingnan yung nasabi ko kanina, yung building na to at saka ito sobrang taas talaga to, yung ito kaysa kabila. Laki yung layo niya. Ayan. Matataas yung mga building dito. Maganda. Wow. Ito maganda rin to. Diba? Okay to ah. Puro mga high-rise building dito sa ano no, sa Manchester. Siguro mga 4 times ko na tong pinuntahan pero hindi ako nakapunta dito na area. Napaganda pala ng Manchester. Ay, mas gusto ko dito ah. Kaso lang yung napansin ko dito, medyo nasa gitna sila, kaya malayo sila sa dagat. Mga ilang oras bago mo makapuntahan yung dagat. Yun lang. O parang ano, hindi naman siguro. Kasi parang napansin ko mayroong ano dyan eh, mga kuha ng barko. Parang may mga river o kaya mga kanal na malaki. Hindi ko lang sigurado, no? I-try natin kasi parang nagkamali lang siguro ako kasi yung mapa na bago ako pumunta dito tinignan ko muna yung satnab. Parang nakita ko parang nasa gitna siya ng lugar na wala siyang dagat. Hindi ko lang sigurado. So yun guys. At saka dito kami magstay pala sa Holiday Inn na yan na hotel. Okay guys. Ayan. Naka-record pa. Tine-check ko lang yung ating GoPro. Ito naka-record. At saka yan guys, oh, napakataas. At saka napakaganda ng lugar yung tanawin dito. Yung ano, yung building na yan, oh. Overlooking talaga, no? Pag doon ka, wow, maganda siguro kung nandoon ka sa pinakatuktok tapos yung makita mo yung buong area. Kaso lang siyempre may mga taas din na building pero mas mataas to. Ayan. So yan guys, papasok tayo dito. Saglit guys, maglagay lang ako ng battery ko, lubat na ako. So okay guys, pagpatuloy natin, nakalagay ko lang ng kakalagay ko lang ng battery. 1% na kasi yung natira. Kaya pasok tayo dito guys. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin sa loob. Saka dyan kami kanina nagpark, naglipat na kami sa likod. Doon kami nagpark kanina. Ay, sorry. Can you see here? Oh. Still something for your fans that you're here inside the hotel.
Holiday Inn in Manchester. This is my second time in Manchester because I remember 2 years ago there was a car broke down about Barry, the car. If you remember the big car with the it's black.
The pickup.
Yeah, the pickup truck. If you remember that car.
That's the Ranger of Rangers
Dream car.
car.
Dream car.
Alright.
And yeah, so we had to pull over because due to the outbursting in the.
But anyway, that's not in Manchester. That's in York. In York.
Yeah, no. You pulled over. We pulled over in York.
So what can you say inside here? Inside the.
It's just fancy.
Why are we gonna stay here?
It's just for one visit.
Because we can, or we're gonna watch the place, or we're gonna visit the place. Or we're gonna go for a little bit holiday. Yeah, just for tonight, today and tomorrow.
What?
We just arrived here today, tonight. What I mean, because it's already 6 o'clock now, I think.
Nearly 7.
Oh, nearly 7. So tonight, yeah, we just arrived, and we're going to
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Why tomorrow?
We're going somewhere. I don't know, but we just go around in Manchester. Okay. Is it free?
Yeah.
Thank you. Tingnan natin guys, kahit paano makainom tayo ng... Guys, magstay kami dahil bisitahin din namin yung aming friend, o kaya friend ng aking best friend na si Ariel, Engineer Kaduhada. So yun, bisitahin namin dito yung aming friend kasi yung manager na to, yung general manager ng Holiday Inn, kaibigan o kaya boss dati ng aking best friend na si Engineer Kaduhada, kasi dati siyang
I think there is a reason why this place is called the Media City, because if you see those buildings, like those highest buildings around here, it probably means that that's where they broadcast like BBC things or Virgin Media, CBBS or anything like that. Like there's a BBC, like you know, Virgin Media, ITV, things like that.
Yeah. So yan guys, singit muna natin si Jancho kasi minsan ano yan mas maganda i-vlog natin yung mga salita niya kasi minsan bihira yan magsalita kung hindi mo depende sa trip niyan o kaya pipilitin. Minsan sabihin mo ayaw niya rin magsalita sa vlog dahil minsan may ano rin, may ugali rin na wala sa mood. Pero dito guys, na sabi ko na yung aming kaibigan dito kung siya general manager ng Holiday Inn, ano siya, Chinese, at saka yung pangalan niya si Alice yun. Dati siyang boss ng aking kaibigan sa Holiday Inn sa Newcastle, England, tapos nalipat siya dito. Mas maganda dito, mas malaki. Kaya, at saka yung ano niya, asawa niya na puti, Polish siya. Nasa hospital nung nakaraan, kaya nung nakalabas na. Kaya bisitahin rin namin, kaibigan rin namin. At saka kilala rin ako niya kasi nag-meet na rin kami niyan. Kasi kami yung nagkuhan ng kanyang bahay minsan pag may mga problema. Ginagawa namin yung bahay niya. Kaya maintenance rin kami ng bahay niya dati nung nandun pa siya sa lugar namin. Kaya ngayon guys, isa na rin parang bisitahin namin at saka mamasyal na rin kami dito. Dahil na rin sa kwan, kasi kumuha ko ng exam for 5 days na training course doon sa York. From York going here, it's about 1 hour and a half travel, something like that, or let's say 2 hours. Nalagyan na natin. Kaya sabi namin magkita-kita na lang namin kami dito after ng aking exam So, luckily guys, sinesorte. Nakapasa ako ng aking exam sa theory at saka practical. Kaya mayroon na akong certificate dito as aircon engineer. Kasi ginawa ko na courses F-gas. So, yan ang dito sa mga mga kategory nila o kaya requirements nila na para magkaroon ka ng license o kaya pwede kang gumawa sa air conditioning na trabaho bilang AC engineer. Kaya yun, nakapasa tayo. So qualified na tayong magtrabaho ng ganyan trabaho. So bago yung aking posisyon sa ngayon, from public engineer to AC engineer, airport engineer. Kaya guys, yun dito ang purpose na bakit kami nandito ngayon. Yung ginawa namin, nag-vlog na lang ako para at least makita ko rin for remembrance at saka makita nyo rin yung ang mga pangyayari dito sa aming pinupuntahan para dala na rin sa pagpasyal dito at saka sa inyo rin makita nyo yung lugar kung saan ako pupunta palagi, anong mga nangyari dito, anong mga ginagawa natin dito sa UK dahil siyempre hindi tayo taga rito, galing tayo ng Pilipinas, Pinoy tayo, so ganito yung buhay namin dito sa UK, England, lalo na yung mga nanood dyan from Canada, US or other country and around the world. Maraming Pinoy kung saan saang parte ng Pilipinas, Pilipinas, kung saan saang parte ng mundo, lalo na dyan sa mga kabayan natin sa Pilipinas na hindi nakarating dito. So pinapakita ko kung ganito yung buhay ng isang Pinoy na Pilipino pag nasa ibang bansa ka na, o kaya ganito rin yung mangyari sa inyo sa mga nag-aaral pa ngayon dyan sa Pilipinas. Pag nakapunta kayo ng abroad, ganito yung buhay dito. So yun guys, pakita ko na sa inyo ang mga susunod natin na mga i-vlog. Thank you guys and have a nice day. See you my next vlog. So we're doing
12:01.
9, so 12.
12:01.
So we're in 12. Wow.
12.
But the highest room is highest story is
I think
60.
we are in a nice view. Wow. Look at that. Napakaganda ng view. Wow. Sobrang taas. We are in high rise. Almost top of this building. Grabe. Yun ang trabaho ko guys. So, yun. Aircon engineer. Yun. Titingnan mo yung mga aircon dyan. So magiging yan din yung trabaho ko. Kita mo yung mga aircon sa taas. Ayan. So dito muna tayo guys. Hanapin natin kung saan tayo saan kaya to? Mga loko to ah. Iniwan ako. Hindi ko na alam kung saan. Labas naman mga yun. Ganda lang kwa nito. Grabe. Wow. At saka maganda kasi mayroon siyang river dito na pero palagay ko malayo yung dagat dito. Kasi mapapansin mo parang mayroon lang siyang river pero malayo yung dagat. Tingnan natin bukas sa pagpasyal natin dito mga guys.
Toilet.
So this is the place for our room.
Look.
Wow.
But that's for disabled people.
Yeah, but it's okay.
It's okay.
It's so nice.
It's a disabled toilet.
Yeah,
a
but it's okay.
for all these.
I don't care. It's so nice. It's so big. This is the room, guys. Anyway.
Alright, there's another room.
So, wow. It's beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. We are in a nice view in here. Wow. It's beautiful.
Sofa bed would be fine. Is this like a bed or a sofa bed would be alright? Oh. Alright.
Kasi guys, ito lang yung available at this time because it's fully booked. So this is only available room right now, just for tonight. So because we are 4, I think, yeah. Because this is only a biggest room that they can give to us just for tonight. So that's why we just accept this. It's okay, doesn't matter. Just only for one night anyway. Okay guys, so alright. Yeah, but it's nice. It's big.
But how do you
So
stop
big.
this from falling? How to stop this?
Maybe no, in the other side. But nice. For me, it's nice. It's beautiful.
From...